2022 is an historic milestone for our country as New Zealand truly seeks to transform the way it serves disabled people and their whānau. New Zealand has rightly committed to work in true partnership and fully implement the vision and principles of enabling good lives. It is in this spirit that NZ Community Living has been created. NZ Care Disability and Geneva Community Living have come together to form NZ Community Living, a subsidiary of the New Zealand Health Group dedicated to supporting disabled people.
We pledge to provide a tailored support to you to enable you to keep well, stay connected to your whānau, and with our support, thrive in your community.
We will work with you and your whānau to provide support that is flexible and reflects the choices that you want to make in your life, enable you to achieve what is important to you and enjoy a strong sense of independence.
Rest assured, we're still the same people with the same values at the core.
To the people we support, we will be able to continue to provide individualised support services to you as we always have, only better and stronger together.
To the people who work with us, you are a very important member of our team. Through your dedication and passion, people are empowered to make choices and decisions that brings a difference to their lives.
To our funders, let's work together. In partnership with you, we will continue to offer meaningful support services to our community. Inspired by the Haere plant, our logo represents the interconnection and the unity we have with the people we support, their whānau, and natural support groups in our community and our government funders.
The people we support are the rito, the shoot in the middle, nurtured and supported by the surrounding leaves that represent whānau and all of us at NZ Community Living.
Our disability support services reflect our belief that all New Zealanders deserve to be as independent as possible. We will continue to provide our usual services, including flexible disability support and residential disability support, choices in community living, specialist intensive support, vocational and day support, Huntington's and neurological disorder support, and respite and whānau support services.
We are New Zealand's trusted disability experts. NZ Community Living has supported people with disabilities and their whānau since 1988.
We work closely with the Ministry of Health, Oranga Tamariki, District Health Boards, Ministry of Social Development, Corrections and ACC as a preferred national provider.
We're part of New Zealand's largest national network of disability service providers and a leader in health technology.
Whatever the needs are of people with disability, our wraparound disability support and rehabilitation services can be tailored to support with almost anything.
Our disability support and rehabilitation services are free to those eligible for government-funded support. We also provide private-funded services.
Our community-based workforce is unmatched. We have a significant expertise and experience in disability support and health services.
Let us support you as your preferred provider.
Haere tonu tātau, together,
Wherever
You're going.